Hello, and welcome. Today, we're exploring the costs involved in developing an app similar to OYO. If you're curious about what it takes to create a successful hospitality platform, you're in the right place. First, let's understand what OYO is. OYO Rooms is a hotel booking platform that connects users with affordable accommodations, providing a seamless experience. Building an app like OYO involves several key components that contribute to the total cost. Number 1, platform choice. Are you developing for iOS, Android, or both? Each platform requires different resources, affecting your budget. Number 2, features and functionality. An app like OYO needs essential features such as user registration, booking management, payment integration, and reviews. The complexity of these features significantly influences development costs. Number 3, design. A user-friendly interface is crucial. Investing in UI and UX design can enhance user experience, but it may increase costs. Number 4, development team. Hiring skilled developers, designers, and project managers varies in cost. You might choose freelancers, an agency, or build an in-house team. Number 5, maintenance and updates. After launch, your app will need regular updates and maintenance to ensure smooth operation and user satisfaction. So, what can you expect in terms of numbers? Developing a basic app like OYO can start at around $3,000 to $5,000. However, for a more advanced version with all the bells and whistles, costs can reach up to $200,000 or more. In conclusion, developing an app like OYO involves various factors that influence the overall cost. Understanding these elements will help you budget effectively for your app development journey. Thank you for joining us today, and good luck with your app venture.